Good morning everyone! It's another beautiful day because today may itatry tayo na bagong buffet. We're going to the Grand Kitchen here in Grand Hyatt Manila in BGC. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Always present! Ready ka na? Okay, nandito na tayo sa second floor ng Grand Hyatt. Hanapin natin yung The Grand Kitchen. I think eto na siya. No, this is the wine cellar. So I think dito siya. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa The Grand Kitchen. Try natin yung dinner buffet nila. Tingnan natin kung sulit. Alright, thank you. Tara. Oh, thank you. Oh, nice. Thank you. Number 62. Alright, thank you.
Restroom, ma'am, just straight ahead. Turn left in the exit door corner.
Okay, thank you. Alright, thanks. Dito, ito yung table natin. Ha? Okay, alright, go. Okay, so nakakuha na tayo ng table. Check natin yung buffet area nila. Okay, so let's start here. Different sashimi. And different sushi and nigiri. Okay. And then here they have hummus and kung ano-ano pa for the salad. They have their made-to-order Caesar salad. Nice. And these are the different dressings. Okay. And here we have cold cuts. Cheese. And they have shrimp cracker and iba't ibang dipping sauces. And this one, what do they have here? Cabbage. This is mixed seafood. and eggplant casserole. And then, ano to? This is fried rice. Okay. Let's see. Stir-fried chicken. Wow, mabigat yung handle. This is noodles. And vegetables. Ang bigat niya. Alright. Oh my God, they have Hainanese chicken. Nice. Okay, let's check kung ano pa yung meron dito. Oh, this might be they have chicken biryani. And then, they have dal makhani. Maliliit lang yung lalagyanan nila, no? Tapos, ang init niya talaga. This fish curry. And, aloo palak. And this is soft roll. Ayan. Okay, this one is corn soup. Grabe, ang bigat. And potato wedge. I don't know kung anong luto to. I think it's zucchini or cucumber. And then corn. And eggplant. And then they have fruits here. Iced tea. Guyabano juice. Guava iced tea. Okay, and they have eto, halo-halo bar. And they have soft serve ice cream, vanilla, and ube lang. And these are the different toppings. Ayan. Strawberry parfait and mango sago. Okay, ikot pa tayo. This one is strawberry yogurt. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung isa. Mango sago din ata. And this is our favorite section. Dessert, espresso mousse, strawberry shortcake, blueberry cheesecake, and sans rival. Nice. And then, yeah, merong tart na nasa loob. I think it's strawberry tart. And they have bread and butter pudding. Meron din silang crate station. This is syrup. I think peanut butter, chocolate. I think this is Nutella. Hindi ko na alam yung iba. Pero yan. Okay. And then, oh my God. This is crispy pork belly. Look at that. Meron din silang pasta station. They have, hindi ko na bubuksan. Sige, buksan. Ooh, pesto. I like that. And, eto, like, make your own pasta. Okay, so they have, this is Japanese rice, ginger pork, salmon, and miso. And what's this? Plain rice. Ayan, so if you want wine, 680 siya per person. They also have beer and sake. Okay. They have make your own soup, chicken and seafood. Ayan. Hi, girl. Ayan ang aking baby girl. Hi! Okay, and then over here they have fish and chips. Oh, Serena will like this. Fried chicken. Okay. And, ayan, tartar sauce. Nice. And then they have tempura. What's this? I don't know what this is. Wala ring label. Pero this one is tonkatsu. Yan. Okay, and then anong meron dito? It's the katsu sauces. Okay, I think nalibot na natin siya. Ayan, may grill section din pala sila. Hello! Okay, nalibat na natin siya. Kain na tayo. Okay, ito yung ating first round. Tikman na natin. Okay, syempre sa bawat buffet, ang lagi nating uunahin ay ang lechon. Oh. May toyo ka? Mas gusto ko talaga sa lechon lagi, toyo. This is good. May suka, tsaka bawang. Bagal. Next natin yung pesto nila. Wait. Oh my God, ang sarap. I like it. Tikman na rin natin yung fries nila, yung curly fries nila. Good then. And this one, excited ako rito kasi paborito ko yung fish and chips with tartar sauce. Sana masarap yung tartar sauce nila. So, let's see. Here. Ang sarap ng tartar sauce. I like it. Okay. Next nating i-try is yung kanilang tempura. Good jam. I like it. At syempre, fried rice. This is their Cantonese fried rice. Mahilig tayo sa fried rice, so let's try it. Oh my God. Ang sarap. I like it. Okay, next is different sushi. Try natin. Okay. Syempre, let's start with the classic. California Maki. Oh my God. Sarap siya na parami lang yung wasabi ko. Next. Kalimutan ko kung ano to, pero should be good. In fairness so far, lahat, quality. They're good. And lastly, the tamago nigiri. Sarap. Okay, next we have the Hainanese chicken and char siu. Tapos kumuha rin tayo nito. So this is seafood and then noodles and chicken biryani. This is ginger pork and pork, ano to? Grilled pork, sausage, and squid. Let's eat. So yung napansin ko lang din, yung spread nila hindi masyadong malaki. Actually, maliit lang siya. Pero so far, quality naman yung mga pagkain. So let's start with the baby squid. Sarap nito. Sakto, malambot, fresh, and walang lansa. Actually, mamaya nga pala after nito, nagkayaan kami ng sister ko. Meron kaming naging sponty trip. So mamaya after namin ng dinner nito, pupunta kaming dalawa sa Hong Kong. Kasi kaming dalawa lang yung libre. So si Suril may school, si Pipoy may pasok. Ako, I got an extra off from work, tapos siya rin. So it's gonna be a really short trip, mga 3 days lang. Good yun. Alright, let's try the seafood. I love shrimp. Wow. Oh my God, ang hang. May kick. Pero ang fresh din, like, yung texture ng seafood, crunchy, tapos manamis-namis, sarap. Alright, eto, try natin yung noodles. And actually, their noodles looks a little dry. Nakita nyo ba kanina? Wait, I'll try to show you. Medyo dry ang itsura ng noodles niya, oh. Let's see. In fairness, mukha siyang dry pero masarap. Natikman niyo yung noodles, mukha siyang dry pero masarap. Sarap. Okay, now let's try the chicken biryani. So, sana hindi siya sobrang anghang, but it's not authentic kapag hindi maanghang. So, bango. Good. Okay, now let's try the sausage. Hot bim. Ito yung grilled sausage. Oh my God, ang sarap. Parang gusto ko tuloy ng bread at mayonnaise. And this is the ginger pork. Kalasa ng nasa Japan. Okay, now, excited din ako rito. Yung grilled liempo. Ang sarap. Ang lambot, tapos kakaiba yung timpla niya, hindi siya maasim, hindi rin siya maalat. Parang sakto lang yung tamis, alat. Actually, wala akong matikman na asim. This is really good. Okay. Next is their Hainanese chicken. Medyo madami yung serving. So you just need to give them your table number and then they will bring it to you. Here it is. Ito fail. Matigas yung chicken. It doesn't taste like the real Hainanese chicken. Bland yung ginger. Dapat dapat nangingibabaw, di ba yung lasa nung ginger. Medyo hindi sila good doon. Okay, try natin yung char siu. Okay, here it is. Bumawi sa char siu. That's good. Hello, kamusta naman ang iyong pagkain?
Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Okay na yung sessions pero
Ah,
gusto ko naman.
yeah, what's that? Mami? Si Ninang. Ninang, what's your soup? Seafood. Tito, good? Good. Okay, nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Dessert, ang ating paborito. So, they have crepe, and I put Nutella. And then this, the bread pudding. Ngayon lang ako magta-try sa buffet ng bread pudding. For some reason, lagi ko siyang ini-skip. This strawberry shortcake, and ano to? Blueberry cheesecake, sans rival, and espresso mousse. Tikman na natin. Okay, unahin natin yung crepe. Ang bango nito nung niluluto nila, grabe. Alam nyo, sayang, kasi dapat, mas maganda pala magpunta rito ng Sunday lunch kasi yun yung interactive, hindi naman interactive, kumbaga umiikot yung ibang food, like for example, the beef Wellington, iikot siya, tapos i-serve nila sa table nyo. Tsaka yung tiramisu, I was really looking forward to it, pero lack of research. Anyway, here's the crepe. Ang sarap. Yung crepe nila, kalasa ng crepe sa Paris. I mean, yung sa mga vendor lang, street vendor lang na nabilihan namin doon. Kalasa niya. Ang sarap. Pati yung texture. It's really good. Okay. Now, let's try yung lagi ko na-skip na bread pudding with vanilla sauce. Okay. It's okay. Nothing. Sakto lang siya. So, naalala ko na kung bakit ko siya lagi ni-skip sa mga buffet. Okay. Now, let's try the strawberry shortcake. Here. I hate fruits. Oh. Nakain ko yung part ng strawberry. Asim. And the texture. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa fruits. Pero yung cake itself, okay siya. Pero ang asim ng strawberry. Okay. Now, let's move on dito sa Sans Rival. Okay. Here it is. Perfect yung lasa niya. Missing lang yung crunch. Di ba yung Sans Rival, may part doon na parang crunch siya. Or crunchy. That is good. Next, the blueberry cheesecake. It's good. Nung una, skeptical ako kasi ayoko nung cheesecake na hindi baked, pero mukhang baked siya. And lastly, the espresso chocolate mousse. Ang sarap. Sakto yung tapang ng kape. At yung tamis ng cream. Oh my God, I love this so much. Ang sarap, pati yung pinaka-crust nyo. Ayan, yung ganyang crunch. Sarap. So yan, may mga ganito silang food na lumalapit sa table. And this one is the paella. Okay, ito yung kanilang paella. Let's try it. Seafood paella.
Good.
Yan. Okay, so tapos na tayong kumain. Ang tanong, sulit ba yung buffet rate dito sa The Grand Kitchen sa Hyatt Manila? So yung rates nila, Monday to Saturday lunch, it's 1,888. Yung dinner ng Monday to Sunday, it's 2,888. Yung Sunday brunch, it's 3,888. For me, unang-una, maganda yung lugar, maganda yung ambience, pero may kulang. Parang kulang siya ng soft music, parang ganon. So, ang maririnig mo is yung general buffet noise, like tunog ng mga kutsara, ganon. So, parang mas makakaganda siguro sa mood kung meron siyang konting soft music. Tapos yung selection, konti lang siya. Pero most of them are of high quality, pero konti lang yung selection. Now, for the price, for 2,888, for me, para sa akin, hindi siya sulit. Kasi medyo limited yung options. Although masarap siya, limited yung options, pati yung sa dessert. I think yung ice cream nga, 2 flavors lang ata yung nakita ko, ube and vanilla. Pero ito yon, may promo sila. If you're a BPI card holder, yung Visa signature, it's 50% off. So, kung 50% off, nasa 1,444 na lang siya, plus maybe service charge. Kung ganun yung price, for me, sulit siya. Okay, so that's it for this episode. I'll see you on the next food trip. Bye!